Side table drawer.
Side table drawer. Right. Let's go.
Steve, why am I always in the living room?
Oh, well, because that's where you live. The living room is your neighborhood. Side table drawer.
Oh, right.
To play Blue's Clues, we gotta find... Oh, a paw print. Right. And that's our first clue. And we put it in our... Because the blues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in our note because they're clues. We gotta find the last paw print. That's the third clue. We put it in our note because the clues. You know what to do. Sit down in a thinking chair and think. Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, and we can do anything that we wanna do. You know something? I can tell I'm really gonna need your help today figuring out where Blue wants to go. You will help me, right? You will?
I'm back to playing on the thing.
Okay. So, speaking of going, did you see which way Blue went? Ooh, what's this? It looks like a map. Yeah, a map of this part of the house. Hey, do you think it'll lead us to Blue?
Oh my goodness.
Look, do you see Blue on this map?
Fearless, aren't you? Fearless.
Oh yeah, there's Blue on the